Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's DIY video, we're going to make our own homemade ear mask using all natural ingredient from our official supplier pureblendnaturals.com. So if you want to buy authentic, all organic, non-toxic ingredient to make your own DIY product, consider Pure Blend Natural. They provide the best in the industry. So what I'm going to use to make our homemade ear mask today is Rhassoul clay. Rhassoul clay is a very excellent clay for detoxing the hair, okay, and getting rid of excess oil without over drying it, and also it's also good for making facial products. So consider Rhassoul clay for all your formulation projects. So for this is going to be our chief ingredient. Then we're going to use vegetable glycerin, okay, USP version. Do not buy a regular version. The regular version that you've seen on the market doesn't work well, but USP version penetrates deeper to moisturize your skin and your hair. Then we're going to use peppermint hydrosol, also by Pure Blend Natural, for a refreshing, effect. You will love it after using this. So we're using not floral water. So I always tell my student and my fellow cosmetic formulator there, when you buy floral water, you're actually wasting your money. So go for authentic hydrosol instead. So we're going to go for peppermint hydrosol. Then our fourth ingredient today is natural vitamin E. Okay, we're going to use that. I'll tell you the measurement as we proceed in this video. So basically, I'm going to tell you the measurement. I'm going to shut down my mic, then you're going to see the demonstration. So the next we're going to use is apple cider vinegar. This helps a lot to balance the pH of the hair. So that's why we're going to introduce a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Then our diluent is aloe vera juice. So we're going to use peppermint hydrosol and aloe vera juice. So what we do is we're going to add. So follow me, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the best of it. So we're going to measure 50 grams of Rhassoul clay. Okay, measure 50 grams of Rhassoul clay. So that's our first step. We're going to measure 50 grams of Rhassoul clay. Then we're going to add our diluent to it. We're going to add 50 grams, the same amount of aloe vera juice. Then we're going to add 30 grams of peppermint hydrosol. I'm not using floral water, I'm using hydrosol. So keep that in mind. 30 grams of peppermint hydrosol. Then we're going to use our vegetable glycerin US. Look in the description box below to get any of this. This is going to make your hair grow, thicker and stronger. This is an excellent, homemade remedy for longer hair. So we're going to add our glycerin. It all depends on what you want, but today I'm going to use 10 grams. Okay, so 10 grams of vegetable glycerin. That is an humectant that's going to prevent excess dryness. Remember, Rhassoul clay can really detox the hair, and this can dry the hair. But when you use glycerin, it's going to add some moisture to your hair. Okay. Then we're going to add our apple cider vinegar. We'll only add that at 10 grams. 10 grams of apple cider vinegar. Finally, we're going to add natural vitamin E. Okay, I'm not using the synthetic vitamin. This is all natural vitamin E, also by pureblendnaturals.com. And we're going to use our vitamin E at 2 grams. So the next thing we have to do, we have everything together in there. All we have to do is to mix it well and apply it to our hair. If you do not have a lot of time, you can allow this to dissolve by itself. Now, the thing is, when you notice your Rhassoul clay is a bit, sorry about the underground noise. When you notice your Rhassoul clay is a bit watery, just as you see here, what you're going to do is just add a little bit of the clay to give it a bit of consistency. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit of my Rhassoul clay to thicken it nicely. Okay, Rhassoul clay is better for detoxing the hair than any other clay, so keep that in mind. Make sure you apply it to the hair from the scalp to the hand. Okay, leave it there, and you're going after 10 to 20 minutes. If you have oily hair, leave it on for 20 minutes, let it do its own thing. Just let it sit there. If you have shower cap, you can use your shower cap to cover your hair. Just let it walk there for 20 minutes if you have oily hair. If your hair is dry, make sure you leave it only for 10 minutes. Okay, then you can now rinse it with warm water.